7 Ayurvedic Rules for Weight Loss. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda to explore 7 essential rules for effective weight loss. Ayurveda, the holistic healing system from India, emphasizes balance in the body, mind, and spirit. So, let's get started. Rule 1. Understand your dosha. The first rule is to understand your dosha. Ayurveda identifies 3 primary doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Each dosha has unique characteristics and dietary needs. Vata. If you are a Vata type, you should focus on warm, nourishing foods to balance your light and airy nature. Pitta. For Pitta types, cooling foods like cucumbers and mint can help balance your fiery temperament. Kapha. And if you are a Kapha type, opt for light, stimulating foods and incorporate more herbs and spices to boost your metabolism. Knowing your dosha can guide your food choices and lifestyle habits. Rule 2. Embrace seasonal eating. Rule number 2 is to embrace seasonal eating. Ayurveda teaches that eating with the seasons helps maintain balance. In spring, focus on lighter foods like leafy greens. In summer, enjoy hydrating fruits and vegetables. As autumn arrives, incorporate warming spices and root vegetables. In winter, indulge in hearty, nourishing meals. This not only supports your weight loss journey but also connects you with nature's rhythm. Rule 3. Prioritize digestive health. Rule 3 emphasizes the importance of digestive health. Known as Agni in Ayurveda, a strong digestive fire helps the body metabolize food efficiently. Start your meals with digestive spices like ginger or cumin. Avoid heavy meals late at night. Chew your food thoroughly and eat mindfully to enhance digestion. A healthy digestive system is key to effective weight loss. Rule 4. Hydrate wisely. Rule 4 is to hydrate wisely. Ayurveda recommends drinking warm water throughout the day instead of cold drinks. Warm water aids digestion, helps detoxify the body, and keeps you feeling satiated. Herbal teas, like ginger or peppermint, can also be beneficial. Hydration is crucial, but how you hydrate matters. Rule 5. Mindful eating. Rule 5 is all about mindful eating. This practice encourages you to be present during meals. Take time to appreciate your food's colors, textures, and aromas. Avoid distractions, such as screens, while eating. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Mindful eating helps prevent overeating and promotes a healthier relationship with food. Rule 6. Incorporate daily routine, Dinacharya. Rule 6 is to incorporate a daily routine, known as Dinacharya. Establishing a consistent routine helps regulate your body's rhythms and metabolism. Wake up early, practice yoga or meditation, and have regular meal times. Prioritize sleep and aim for 7 to 8 hours of rest each night. A balanced routine can significantly enhance your weight loss efforts. Rule 7. Stay active with joyful movement. And finally, Rule 7 is to stay active with joyful movement. Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of physical activity, but it should be something you enjoy. Whether it's yoga, dancing, walking, or cycling, find an activity that brings you joy. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement daily. Enjoying your workouts will make it easier to stay consistent and motivated. Conclusion. And there you have it. 7 Ayurvedic rules for effective weight loss. Remember, Ayurveda is about balance and harmony. So listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, embrace your journey to health and wellness. Namaste.